Hello guys, so today we were going to explore the 6th principle of second language and the procedure on how the material develop and correspond to the second language acquisition. Principle 1. A prerequisite for language acquisition is that learners are exposed to rich, meaningful, and comprehensible language input in use. My material is The Pride and Prejudice by Jane Austen. How will I use these materials? So first, I will let my student to read the book. Next, I will let them to analyze the story and list the mode, character, plot, and point of view of the story. So after that, I will let them to make a reflection paper about what they've learned and what is the moral lesson of the story. Principle 2. To maximize their exposure to language in use, they need to be engaged both affectively and cognitively in the language experience. So my material is the songs of Olivia Rodrigo. Olivia Rodrigo is one of the most famous singers in the whole world. So how will I use this material? So first, I will let my student listen to the song of Olivia Rodrigo. Second, I will let them list at least 5 highfalutin words and find its meaning. And lastly, I will let them share it to the class, the 5 highfalutin words with its meaning, so that everyone in the class will learn. Principle 3. Language learners who achieve positive effect are much more likely to achieve communicative competence than those who do not. My material is Dead Star by Paz Marquez Benitez. Dead Star is one of the most famous pieces of Paz Marquez Benitez. So how will I use this as my material? So first, I will show a video adaptation of Dead Star by Paz Marquez Benitez to the class. Second, I will let my class to analyze the video they've watched. And lastly, I will assign a role-playing activity to the class based on the video they've watched to reinforce the engagement, collaboration, and comprehension. Principle 4. L2 language learner can benefit from using those mental resources they typically utilize when acquiring and using their L1. My materials is movies. We have a lot of movies in our world, so how will I use this as my material? So first, I will let my students to watch their favorite movie, and then they were going to take down notes, their favorite line in the movie, and lastly, they were going to act their favorite line in the class. Principle 5. A language learner can benefit from noticing salient features of the input. My material is news article. So how will I use news article as my material? So first, I will let my student to find and read news article. Second, I will let my students to analyze the news article they've read. And after that, they were going to find the error in the news article. Principle 6. Learners need opportunities to use language to try to achieve communicative purposes. My material is theater. How will I use theater as my material? I will assign my class a theater presentation to reinforce their collaboration and engagement, and through this, they will exchange ideas and building connection and relationship to each other. Thank you for watching. I hope you've learned from this video.